Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your Instagram profile viewers. So the first thing you have to do is open your Instagram application, and if you go to your profile and let's say for example you have a story that you have posted, if you click on that story you will be able to see the persons that viewed your story. So in many cases, if someone is going to check your profile and view your profile, they will go as well and check out your story. And if that person has seen your story, most probably they visited your profile as well. So another thing you have to do, you can do is you can go and hit the icon with the three lines right here, and then go to settings and privacy. And right here, if you scroll down, you will find a section that says help. And right here we have this option, report a problem. So we can just go forward and send a direct message to Instagram, and we can ask them to update the application and make an option possible that you can see who viewed your profile. So if they have many requests regarding this issue, they may add this option where you can see who viewed your profile. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.